Hi guys, welcome to my channel, welcome back. Thank you for joining me today. And today we are going to do another unboxing. Yes, another unboxing. So I have here a bag from the latest Louis Vuitton collection. I believe this is Spring-Summer 2022 collection from that 1st of January drop. So let's get into the video and see what I got. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Natalia and I am self-admitted shameless shopaholic, and I post on YouTube videos on how I spend my money or how I waste my money. So if you enjoy shopping, especially luxury handbags, other designer items, but also non-luxury fashion, please consider joining my Anonymous Shopaholic Club down below. And now let's get into the unboxing. Very quickly, the story how it happened that I actually bought a bag from this collection, which was not really planned. Well, it was just a happy coincidence because we decided to travel and spend New Year and New Year's Eve abroad, and we went back to Rome. So I mean back because I was in Rome like a couple of months ago, and we just went there. It was kind of spontaneous decision. And it was lucky for me that we were there while Louis Vuitton had this 1st of January drop. So of course I knew about it actually because yeah, I know I'm very behind, I know. Very recently, I mean like a few weeks ago, I started to follow Foxy LV. So now I knew that, you know, some bags are coming, and I actually knew that there is a drop on 1st of January and that in that drop we will have some colorful items. And honestly, I even have forgotten that. I still remembered some of those bags, but I just thought it was later January. And a couple of days before my trip, I just checked on this, like if she has some dates or something, and I was like, oh, that's dropping the 1st of January. So lucky me, I have to get there and hopefully get something from that collection, because as we know, I love colors and I wanted to get something in color for a long time, and the colors are a very deficit material. We went to Louis Vuitton the 2nd of January because the 1st of January everything was closed. The queue was insane. I will insert you a clip of the queue. However, it was going pretty fast. And then I also made a little vlog, which I probably put together. I'm not sure how good it will be, but I probably put it anyway. So yeah, that's hopefully short introduction, and now let's get into the box. Still, I got the Christmas box, so I'm really happy about that. And what do you guess which bag I could get? So let's get the bag out. Box on the side. So here is the bag, and let's not keep you any longer. Let's open it. So here we go, yes, it's the most radioactive pink that you can probably find. So this is the bag, as I say, like it's a neon pink really. The color is called passion fruit, and it's really neon-y pink, very strong, very bright, and I'm not complaining about it at all. So it's in epi leather. It's yeah, it has this all the classic details of Alma bag. This is Alma BB. So it has this tag here. It has silver hardware. The padlock was already attached, so I didn't attach this. It was there in the store. The bag comes with a thick strap, which is inside. So this is the strap. It has this Louis Vuitton here in pink and yellowy orangey, and then it has those Louis Vuitton monogram items on the other side. Honestly, I'm not fan of this part. I don't like the color combo, and I don't like the font of that Louis Vuitton. Well, yeah, of course I have to complain always about something. I prefer this side. However, actually, honestly, I would prefer if that bag comes with a leather strap or chain. I have already managed to go on Amazon and order some silver chain so I can use it. Instead of that, I will probably use this, you know, here and there. But I'm not really a fan of that strap, and unfortunately, because of this strap, I had to pay more for the bag. So because of this strap, those special releases of Alma bags, they are more expensive than a regular Alma bag in epi leather, which is 1300 something. I think it's 1350. And this also in the summer there was some other releases, or last spring, I don't know. But all of these which come with a fixed strap, they are 1650 euro currently. So I'm actually not really happy that I paid more for the bag because of the strap, which I actually don't like. But I like the color, and that was the color to go for me. You know, I craved for some colorful bags. I wish they bring more of them. But they are not. I feel like, you know, that Louis Vuitton is bringing all the pretty and juicy colors in the bag styles that they want to sell but nobody wants to buy, which means the Coussin bag, for example, and also some capucines. I'm not saying really that nobody wants to buy them, but we all know that they are trying to push them quite hard. And I see recently that the Coussin bag is coming in so many beautiful and very juicy colors there, and it comes with this squishy, beautiful lambskin. It's gorgeous. I kind of like the bag, but not that much, like, you know. Anyway, you know what I mean. Like, I think that they try to sell the bag because of the colors, and all the rest of the bags mostly it's some kind of neutral colors, and occasionally some pops of colors. I will show you close up. So, like, of course, it's the classic Alma Epi leather. It has this, you know, where the keys are. Is it no, it's not clochette. I don't know how this is called. The padlock here, which is in silver hardware. The back of the bag had nothing. This is the hot stamp, which the bag is made in France, I believe. Yeah, it's made in France. And the zip goes, it's quite hard at the moment. I think it will soften up. Inside it also has this beautiful pink lining. I believe that this is microfiber. Yeah, it has that for the padlock, but that was already inside here because the bag was fully assembled in the store. It has that piece of paper here which says that exterior is vachetta leather, which I just think it's a mistake. That shouldn't be here, I think. And interior synthetic textile. So I think this is not coming from this bag anyway. I did wear this bag once in Rome. Well, I had to do that. I couldn't, you know, we were there for a week and I bought it like a third day of our stay. So I wanted to take it out and it was good weather, and I actually wore it with this dress, and I will insert the picture here. This bag was popping up with this dress so beautifully. Such a nice outfit. And the dress, by the way, is from H&M. I got it a couple of weeks ago on sale, so if I find it, I will list it. It looks really nice. You have to belt it because otherwise it looks like you have just, you know, a large bag on you. Yeah, but that is a really cute outfit. I enjoy it, and I enjoy this color. There were other bags. I looked at the Easy Pouch, which I shockingly found. It was so tiny. This bag is like this. I was expecting it's like the Prada re-edition kind of size. It's so tiny. I really do not recommend buying that. Especially there was this, you know, this pink in Epi leather as well. It's, you know, Epi leather is stiff. I don't really see how you can use that bag, really, how practical it can be. So I was very disappointed about it because I kind of like the shape, you know, the style of the bag. And there were also some twist bags in this colors. They did have 3 colors of the bag. They had also yellow and blue. I was interested a little bit about the blue, but it was a different blue than I saw on some Instagram pictures, which was more purpley. The original one, the one that is in the store, it's blue. So I wasn't interested in that. They didn't have the green. I was very curious to have a look at the green, but not really buy it. That was actually the one that I wanted to have a look from the beginning, from the get-go, when I realized that we are there when the bags are dropping. That was the only bag pretty much I was interested, and I wanted to see the Easy Pouch also, which I got very disappointed. Alma was the bag which I wanted to buy as my first Louis Vuitton bag, but they didn't have the black one in Empron leather at the time, and I got the Speedy. And never later I could actually see any Alma bag which was in a color that I would be interested in, and especially I wanted an Alma bag in a color, in a bright color, in a color, something different than neutral or pale pink or something. So I wanted something which is, you know, more standing out. I was open for blues, pinks, I don't know, different colors, whatever catch my attention, but something which is very colorful. So it's not a random purchase, it's a style that I was interested, and I was interested in colors also. So I'm glad actually that, you know, the stars were aligning for me to go to Rome and be there when they were launching the bags and get my hands on one. This is a bag kind of from my wish list, and I want to publish my wish list for 2022 very soon, which I actually check off a few items of this on my last trip, so I don't know actually how to do that. So this is my new addition to the fast growing collection of my bags, which I'm beyond happy to see all the babies, and I'm really grateful I could finally start my collection, and then actually I can grow my collection quite fast and get all these bags now, also in a little bit, you know, panic, thinking that, you know, we don't know what's gonna happen in, you know, in a couple of years with the economics and also with the prices of the bag. So I'm trying to build up the collection now while I can, basically, and I accept that maybe in some years I won't be able to afford these bags. So this is the beauty that I got. Let me know what you think about it. Would you buy this kind of neon pink? Very shocking pink, like I say, radioactive pink. So that's all for the video. I hope it's not too long as usual. I don't know why I talk so much. Let me know what you think about my purchase. Do you like this color or is it too much? And which bags you are interested from that recent drop. You know, I'm always curious what you get, so if you got something, also write me down in the comments. It's really, like, you know, fun to exchange, like, oh, I have this, I have that. So I like reading about your purchases as well. So please let me know, and if you enjoyed my rambling around with the bag, please consider giving a like to that video, so it will help me grow on YouTube. I don't really want to ask and be like this kind of spammy, oh, please give a like. But you know, all that, it helps YouTubers to grow, so if you would do, I would really appreciate that. And thank you very much for your time. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day. Take care, and until next time, bye.